Hello, today we're working on how to find all the formulas in Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. We have the names of the products here, we have the units, and we have the price. Well, all these are just entered information. But the revenue should be 50 times 22 equals 1100. So it looks like this is a formula and it's working correctly. So let's say you have a big spreadsheet, you have lots of numbers that should be formulas. You can't look at every cell. It just gets to be too specific. Well, here's one right here. That should be a formula. So let's do two different methods. The first method is kind of the older method. The second method is a little bit newer, and it's the preferred method. So go to the home ribbon, go all the way across, find and select, go to special, and you can click formulas. And you can have some options here. So here are all the formulas that are in the spreadsheet. So you can highlight this with yellow so you can investigate the ones that are not highlighted. The other way, just a little bit simpler, home ribbon, find and select, and it'll actually have an option for formulas. So let's investigate. Okay, so the car should be 70 times 39, that's 2800, correct? Well, we don't know, somebody just typed in 2800. So we can use the formula, or we can just copy this from a previous formula. So let's copy that down. Well, it's actually 2730. It's not 2800. So you have errors if you don't use formulas. Same thing here with Oaks. Somebody typed in 1000. And so let's copy this down. Now, these happen to be highlighted because it's all the same types of formulas in the column. Now, on the total revenue, we need the sum. You know, one of the most important functions in Excel is sum, and you know there's a sum function. So we could start with equals sum and then highlight everything, and that would give us the answer for the sum. That's pretty fast. Now you know there's a faster way. There's a faster way if you just highlight this, go to the summation, and so there's a couple of different things on the sigma here. You can do the sum or the average or a count or a min or a max. So here we want the sum, and so it's going to give us a formula. We'll just hit enter. So it's 20,290. Another way to do this, you could highlight everything and leave the empty cell where you want the sum, and it'll just hit summation. That's fine. There's a faster way, especially if you had several columns. You need to sum all those columns up. So you can do this. You can highlight everything and do auto sum, keyboard shortcut. So if you're on Windows, do the Alt button and equals at the same time. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do Command, Shift, and T for total. So Command Shift T total, and that's 20,290. Now, you could go across. There's no reason to do across, but you could do across. You could highlight this entire thing here if you have a auto sum. That's helpful. It would do all the columns and all the rows, and that auto sum is going to be a really helpful feature for you. All right, so that's how you find all the formulas in Excel rather than trying to look at each individual cell. Hey, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.